quite cosy and it's lovely. Oh, that is lovely, Peter. Is it nearly bedtime? Yes, it is. Henry! Homework, now! Oh, you're just in time to watch Too Good for School for me.
Wanna win some money?
Too Good for School.
Ain't nobody's fool.
Too Good for School.
Maybe, just maybe.
No TV, Henry. N-O spells no, Henry. Not until you've done your homework.
Watching TV on the computer isn't the same as watching TV.
Maybe, just maybe. You're too good for school.
Henry!
Go to your room right now. It's bedtime. Look, I haven't done my homework yet.
Right, that's it. No music, no TV, no computer. For a week. A year.
Henry, I'm still pressing my keys. Hey, those are my Gross Club Zero comics. That's right, Henry. I'll be looking after them for a while. Huh? Hey, that's my boombox.
That's right, Henry.
But how am I going to listen to my music if you take up my boombox? Oh, got my CDs too.
That's right, Henry. I'll be looking after them for a while.
That's not fair! It's so not fair! I can't watch TV, I can't go on the computer, I can't listen to music, I can't read my comics, all because I didn't do my homework. Oh, at least I've got you to talk to, Frank.
Your mother and I have decided that we should look after Fang for the time being, too. Right, Henry?
Tras las pruebas,
So I think that was such a good idea.
buenas inversiones. Los bancos aprecian de forma
Henry.
incluso un nivel
Oh,
alto de
you
volumen.
brought Fang back?
Yes, sir. It can be a bit noisy tonight, can't it?
Yeah, he can. Dad, does that mean I can have my outfit back too?
No, Henry, I'm afraid you can't. Now it's time to rise and shine. We've got a busy day ahead.
What are you doing, Henry? Painting my toenails, worm. What is it doing? Oh, you're sorting out your gizmos. I'm not sure you're allowed to do that. What do you mean? Mom! Henry's sorting out his gizmos. Oh, can you believe this? Come on, Henry. You know you're not supposed to be doing that. What? Just sorting out the gizmos. Precisely. I'll be looking after these for a while. You can polish these instead.
Where's Henry?
He's in the kitchen, polishing spoons.
Really?
I think he's quite enjoying it. I haven't heard a peep out of him for ages.
Tras las
Well,
pruebas,
he's going to enjoy this.
el que nos ha dejado los bancos aprecian de
Ah,
forma
there you are.
clara
How's the spoon
un
polishing
nivel
going?
alto de volumen.
Fine, Dad. Can I have some of my stuff back now?
Not just yet, Henry. I've got something very special for you.